big world, so many wonders to see. And we are gonna travel all over the sea. It's gonna be such fun, you can say that again. Let's go around the world with Bob the Train. From the jungles of Africa to the beaches of Spain, the islands in the tropics where there's so much rain. It's gonna be such fun, you can say that again. Let's go around the world with Bob the Train. Yippee! We're traveling over the snow mountains of Himalaya. Let's jog around the Taj Mahal to stay fit and lean on the Leaning Tower a bit. The Great Wall of China makes for a good ride. See the Statue of Liberty right outside. The pyramids of Egypt to the cold Ukraine. The vineyards of France where they make champagne. It's gonna be such fun, you can say that again. Let's go around the world with Bob the Train. Look at all the colorful fish in the Great Barrier Reef. Hop along with the kangaroos, up and down. See the penguins waddle and the polar bear frown. Climb atop the tallest buildings in Dubai. Watch the Machu Picchu treasures from up high. The Galapagos Islands to the Mongolian plains. The castles of Romania with legends arcane. It's gonna be such fun, you can say that again. Let's go around the world with Bob the Train. Did you enjoy the ride around the world? Come back soon for another ride.